Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Baloch Scholar. So today I am going to start the physics of class 9th Balochistan board chapter 1, that is introduction to physics. Okay. First of all, before going towards the introduction of physics, let me define what science is. Okay. As physics is also the branch of science. Okay, science, most of the people have their own definitions. Some say science is the study of living things and non-living things. And some say science is the study of everything around us, means all around us. Whatever is present around us, it is the study of science. For example, blood is flowing in our body, it is based on science. The pain running in our house, it is based on science. The medicines are made, these are medicines are made, it is based on science. Okay, here the definition is the knowledge through observation and experimentation. Okay, knowledge gained through observation and experiment. Okay, first of all, when you observe something, when you see something, then you and if you experiment it, then you come through a result. Okay, this is science. Okay, come towards its origin. Science is a Latin word that is scientia, knowledge, known as knowledge. Okay, science is divided into two portions, that is, can say two main branches are there: physical, can say science, or biological science. Physical science deals with the study of non-living things, can say that it has branches like physics, chemistry, astronomy, or geology. So we will be studying today about the introduction of physics. So biological science deals with the study of living things such as botany, the study of plants; zoology, the study of animals; microbiology, the study of microorganisms. Okay, now let's come towards the introduction to physics. Okay, physics is derived from a Greek word that is physikos, means the science of natural things. Okay, it is a Greek word which means physikos. You can say Greek word physikos means the science of natural things. Its definition is physics is defined as the study of matter, energy, and their mutual interaction. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you what is matter. Okay, matter is anything which has a mass and occupies a space. Okay, any object which has a mass and occupies a space is a matter. For example, this pen I am carrying is a matter because it is a mass and occupying a space. Okay, specific space. So I will call it a matter. Everything around us is a matter. Can say everything around us is a matter because that is a mass and occupying a space. Okay, next is energy. Energy is the ability to do the work. Energy is the ability to do the work. Okay, for example, this pen is the matter. It is a mass, it is a mass and occupies a space. It is the energy or ability to write. It is the energy or ability to write. So a study of matter and energy and their mutual interaction. Okay, this means then their together interaction. Okay, their mutual understanding interaction. Okay, let's come towards the branches of physics. The branches of physics are divided into main types of physics, that is classical and modern physics. Okay, classical physics, it is the physics developed before 20th century by scientists like Isaac Newton, Maxwell, Galileo, and many others. Okay, when it was developed before the 20th century. Now let's come towards the branches of classical physics. Number one is mechanics. It deals with the study of objects and motion, in those objects which are in motion. Okay, its causes and effects. If an object is in motion, we will see its cause and its effects. For example, if a body is moving from one place to another, it changes its acceleration or velocity, you can say, we see the cause and effects. Okay, for example, falling objects, freely falling object. If a body is freely falling, we see its cause and effects. Okay, we see its cause and effects. If a body is falling freely, so surely it is in motion. Okay, if I throw a ball, okay, if I throw a ball, so it is in motion, called the projectile motion. Okay, basically, if you raise a question, why a step moves? A step means object. A step move means why a step moves. This means why objects moves, why body moves. This question arises. Okay, if a body is in motion, your question arises why this body is moving, due to what. So in this mechanics you will get to know these questions. Okay, or you can about these things, objects in motion. Number 2 is heat or thermal physics. It deals with the conversion mechanism and nature of heat and its effects on matter. You can say here you study about the mechanism and nature of heat and its effect on the matter. Okay, as you know, heat is the form of energy. Okay, the main source is sun. For example, matter is the plant. Matter is the plant which get the sunlight. Okay, okay. Now you have to know what is the effect. You can say nature of the sunlight. What is its mechanism? You can say what is its effect on that matter. Okay, what is the effect of sunlight on plant? Okay. The next is thermodynamics. Thermo mean heat, dynamics mean motion. This means heat and motion. It deals with the conversion of heat energy into other forms. Okay. Here we will convert the heat energy into other form. For example, if heat energy is the solar energy, then it will be converted into electrical energy. In our home or obviously solar panels are there installed, so they provide us electricity due to sun. Okay, solar energy is converted into electrical energy. So here the energy is in motion. Okay, okay, heat is in motion, thermodynamics. Fourth is electricity and magnetism, that is electromagnetism. Here we study about the electric charges, whether they are at rest or at motion. Okay, we study about their relationship and the effect with magnetism, effect with magnet. Okay, so the next branch is atomic physics. Okay, by the name you get idea that it is based on atoms, the branch of physics that deals with the study of structure and properties of atoms. Here we study about the structure and properties of atoms. What are the properties of the atoms? What is its structure? Okay, how atom revolves, can say, and in the nucleus. We study about these things in atomic physics. Okay, as you know, atomic is the smallest particle of a matter, can say. Next branch is acoustic physics or acoustic for physics. Okay, it deals with the study of sound. Here we study about sound, how sound is produced, how it propagates, how it is controlled, or how it is detected. Okay, its production, propagation, control, and detection. For example, school bell producing sound. Okay, if you ring the school bell, it produces the sound. Okay, loudspeakers are there, they produce sound. One of the most important example is that is echo. It produces sound produced in valley and well, because it involves reflection of sound. Okay, when you produce a sound in a well or empty room, so the sound will reflect. Okay, the sound will reflect. It is called echo. It is called echo. Okay, because the sound reflects. Okay. Now let's come towards the branches of modern physics. Okay, first of all, let me tell you what is modern physics. Okay, modern physics is the physics developed in 20th century based on theories developed in 20th century, such as quantum mechanics, relativity. Okay, classical physics was developed before 20th century, but this physics is developed in is based on the developments made in 20th century. Okay, it is also based on the theories developed in 20th century, such as quantum mechanics and quantum relativity. Okay, the first branch of modern physics is nuclear physics, based on nucleus, deals with the study of the structure and properties of properties and reaction of atomic nuclei. Means it deals with structural properties and reaction of atomic nuclei. For example, the example can be the nuclear power plant. Okay, example is nuclear power plant. Okay, the next is solid state physics. It deals with the study of physical properties of solid materials, also called condensed matter physics. Here, the physical properties of solid materials are dealt. Okay, also it is called condensed matter physics. For example, met, metals, crystals, or computer memory are condensed matter. Okay, of physics. Here we will study their physical properties. Okay, the next is semiconductor physics. Okay, semiconductor physics deals with the study, design, and use of devices based on semiconductor. Okay, here we will study about the designs and use of devices based on semiconductor. For example, computer chips are there, LEDs, transistors are there, fixed on devices. They are semiconductors. So we will study about their designs, about their information, that how they work. Okay. So the next branch is the fourth one is quantum mechanics. It deals with the study of matter, electromagnetic radiation based on quantum theory. Here we study about the matter, electromagnetic radiations and quantum theory. Okay, we study the quantum theory. Okay, for example, laser is there, atom is there, electron and quantum computers. We can say modern computers are there, later quantum computers. Number fifth is particle physics. Deals with the study of elementary particles or fundamental particle of nucleus or matter. For example, electron, proton, and neutron. These are the fundamental particle of nucleus or matter. Okay, or quarks. Okay, electron, proton, neutron, or quark. Okay. The next one is last one is plasma physics. Deals with the study of production and properties of plasma, the fourth state of matter. There are four states of matter. You can say solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Plasma is the fourth state of matter. For example, it is present in lightning, fluorescent lamps, plasma TVs. Okay, there are also plasma TVs. Okay, and TVs plasma is also present.